Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be looking at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, capacities, and prices to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, which can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. This makes it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for smaller items and limited laundry needs. If you frequently wash larger loads, the BLACK+DECKER is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to features, the BLACK+DECKER model shines with 6 wash cycles, including options for heavy and delicate loads, as well as a durable stainless steel tub. It also includes features like delay start and auto unbalance detection. On the other hand, the portable washing machine offers 3 timer settings, but lacks the advanced features found in the BLACK+DECKER. For those who value versatility and functionality, the BLACK+DECKER is the superior choice. Price is another important factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and more advanced features. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $69, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the price against the features and capacity you require. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the BLACK+DECKER is the better option. However, if you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly solution for smaller loads, the portable washing machine is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.